Are you planning a local move within North Carolina or preparing for a cross-state relocation? Whether it's the beautiful greens of Greensboro or the bustling city of Charlotte, 3 Movers has you covered. With years of professional experience, we make your move smooth and stress-free. As one of the top-rated moving companies in North Carolina, we provide affordable, reliable, and professional moving services. Whether it's residential or commercial, our team offers detailed planning and coordination to ensure a seamless relocation process. Planning a long-distance move, our experienced movers prioritize efficiency, safety, and affordability. We handle everything from logistics to insurance, ensuring your belongings arrive safely at their destination. For local moves, we offer the same level of care and expertise, making sure all your items are carefully packed and transported. We offer a variety of services, including long-distance and local moving, residential and commercial relocation, military moves, same-day moving, and even furniture packing and storage options. With our professional movers, we handle everything, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Our residential moving services are designed to make your transition as easy as possible. We'll pack, transport, and unload your belongings, whether you're moving across town or across the state. Our team knows North Carolina inside and out, so you can trust us to navigate your move effortlessly. Need to relocate your office or business? 3 Movers provides precision and expertise for commercial moves. We ensure that your office supplies and equipment arrive safely at your new location, minimizing downtime and allowing you to focus on running your business. Looking for the best movers in North Carolina? Contact 3 Movers today for a free quote and let us handle your next move. We're here to provide affordable, efficient, and professional services wherever you're headed.